Learn German with Langster is an innovative Android application designed to facilitate the learning of the German language through engaging and interactive methods. This app caters to learners of all levels, from beginners to advanced speakers, offering a comprehensive approach to language acquisition. The core feature of Langster is its focus on real-life German content, such as stories and articles, which helps users immerse themselves in the language. By reading authentic texts, learners can improve their vocabulary, grammar, and overall comprehension skills in a context that is relevant and enjoyable. The app often includes audio recordings that allow users to listen to the pronunciation, enhancing their speaking and listening abilities. Langster typically incorporates gamified elements, such as quizzes and challenges, to make the learning process more engaging and motivating. Users can track their progress, set goals, and receive personalized feedback to tailor their learning experience to their specific needs. In addition to reading and listening exercises, the app may offer features for writing and speaking practice, enabling learners to develop a well-rounded skill set. Overall, Learn German with Langster is a valuable tool for anyone looking to master the German language in an enjoyable and effective way.